my friends. Today I have a Wantable box. This is a theme box and it is bestsellers. So stick around and we'll dive into this. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Looks exciting. We have our sticker that says Styled for Catherine, which I appreciate that. Wrapped nicely. We have our pamphlet with information, says bestsellers on it, so we'll see what we have in there, and I'll read to you about them as I'm trying them on. And then I have my return mailer, so anything I don't want to keep, I'll return in here. Shipping is paid to and from. The shipping is covered. Now, I did spend, this was a $20 styling fee, but if I purchase anything, then the styling fee goes towards the purchase. And if I keep 5 or more items, I get 20% off. So hopefully I'm going to like 5 or more items. First, we have 78 and Sunny. Nice blue shorts. I love the color, and I love they've got buttons on the back pockets. I'm afraid they're just maybe a little bit too short. We'll see when I try them on. Then we have pink shorts, kind of hot pink shorts. And these are Dear John, which I love. They're the Northampton Dear John. The only thing is, these are medium. I typically wear 30, so I think 29 slash 30 is medium, so hopefully they'll fit. They've got buttons on the back as well. Okay, off to a good start. Then we have, oh my God, this is so funny. Drinks well with others. Someone there knows me. If my friends are watching, they'll be laughing. Okay, cute t-shirt. Very good for the summer. Then we have some pants. Lovely. I'm not crazy about drawstrings, but I've noticed some pants that might be a little on the dressy. I mean, they're definitely casual, but they're not sweats by any means. I've noticed they've had these drawstrings. So I really like this pattern. It's a nice, subtle floral pattern, and all the flowers are connected. I like the flow of them too. I'm excited to try these on. Okay, and what are they? They are, 78 and Sunny as well. Okay, size, hopefully medium. Let's see, we've got large. Okay, that might be better. It's better if they're looser and flowy. And all sizes are different. And then we have some stars and stripes. Let's see what we have in the patriotic theme here. Oh, it's a scarf. Lovely scarf. I'm going to Maryland for the 4th of July, so this would definitely be great. When we're out watching the fireworks, I could use this to wrap in because it's usually chilly in the evenings. Okay, then we have, and with Wantable, you get 7 items to choose from. So it looks like we have a sweatshirt here. I'm not a big sweatshirt girl, and I have probably all the sweatshirts I really need, but it's soft. You should feel how soft this is. And it's got like a really wide boat neck. Probably supposed to come down off of one shoulder. I'm not sure. But the material's very soft, but it's a black sweatshirt. It's probably not going to be a keeper. We'll just see. And then, ooh, pretty. We have a little top. Very pretty. Peasant style top with some puff sleeves. And we got elastic at the bottom to keep the puff in them. Very promising. So we will see how these 7 items fit, and I'll be right back. Okay, first up, I paired the t-shirt with the pink shorts, and I think they're both probably keepers. I do like the shorts. I feel like maybe they're a little bit short for me, but they're sewn around here. I could clip the stitching and iron them out and make them that much longer. It's about 1 inch, so I can make them about 1 inch longer, and I think I'll probably do that. But I do like the fit, like I always do with Dear John, Northampton series. And yeah, I think I like them. I definitely like the shirt. It's a keeper. So fun. Okay, let me read to you about these items. You never know what glasses I'm going to show up in. So we have the Northampton short in carnation pink. This has size 30. Now on the tag it says medium. So, okay. Dear John, as we had said before, and they're $69, the same as my previous Dear John shorts that I got. Okay. And then the t-shirt, Drinks Well graphic tee in navy, size 6 to 8, 78 and sunny, and it's $49. So I'm not crazy about paying $49 for a tee, but I do like it. So these two are probably keepers. So if I have 3 more, I'll get the 20% discount. So let's see what's next. We have another winner. So these pants, I'm definitely keeping them. They are very flowy and comfortable. I love the fit. They are nice at the waist. They've got the drawstring, which I really don't mind because I think the pattern and the material of these pants elevate them enough, and then this dresses it down. So it makes it more casual. I think they really look nice. This is a top that I have from JB and me from one of my JB style boxes. And then I thought, if you're in an outdoor event in the summer and it gets a little chilly in the evening, then, because like I said, I am going to Maryland and it gets chilly in the evenings. So then you've got your jacket with these pants. What I'll do, I want you to see this pattern up close. So when I change into my next outfit, I'll show you the pattern in these pants a little bit closer because they are just delightful. Very nice. Let me read you about them. Okay. These are gauze pant in spring blue, size large. I'm okay with that. Everything fits differently. They are $69, 78 and sunny. Another keeper. So now we have 3. I need 2 more keepers. I'm sure the scarf will be a keeper. So let's try the next thing on. Well, unfortunately, this is a very odd fitting top. I love the pattern in it, the colors. However, it constantly wants to fall off my shoulders. And I thought, well, maybe it's supposed to be worn that way, but I really don't think so because of how low it comes down on my shoulders. I had to put a cami on, obviously, underneath it. And I have my t-shirt bra on, so I've got my plastic straps there, but I don't know. Is it supposed to fit like this? Like I said, it's a pretty top. Let me read you about it. Okay, this is floral printed top in black and tan, size medium. The designer is Lush and it's $59. So size medium. I'm wondering if a small would fit better and the sleeves would stay up. This just would never work. So, and I also wonder, I've never done this before, if I want to get the 5 and my discount, if I requested this in a small, I think that would still count as my 5 because I would say I'm just exchanging it, but I'm purchasing it. So I don't know. Let's see. We've got the sweatshirt and the patriotic scarf. Really lovely scarf. Be right back. Now I have the sweatshirt and the patriotic scarf. And I actually, when I put the sweatshirt on, I really kind of like it. Let's see. Let's take this off and evaluate the sweatshirt because I actually kind of like it. I don't know. What do you think? It's very soft. I'd love to hear what other people think. Plus, let's go over everything. I'll tell you about this sweatshirt. And then I've got everything up here to just kind of sort through them. Give me 1 second. Back to our goodies list here. So the sweatshirt is off the shoulder, obviously. It's not going to stay up. Off the shoulder fleece sweatshirt in black, medium, 6 to 8. Horizon, is that how you say it? Horizon? It's $69. I don't know about $69. Okay, let's look at everything. I really, really need help with this one because I'm so close to purchasing 5, which will give me 20% off. So I need to know if it's worth it. I'll have to crunch the numbers and stuff. But I have 4 keepers, so it seems silly to not add a 5th to get the discount. So let's review. I'll bring them a little closer. So we've got the scarf that is a yes. I can always use this. I like also to, you go to a chilly restaurant or something. I love to just drape scarves over my shoulder. So sitting out, watching the fireworks or whatever, this would be nice. And so it's a definite keeper. And it is, what did we say? It's $34. Then another definite, absolute definite. I told you I was going to show you these up close and I never did. See that pattern? I just think it's so pretty. These are definite keepers. Love how they fit. Love the flow of them. Okay. And if you would have told me I'm buying drawstring pants, I would have said you were lying. But here I am. Okay, so they are $69. I think it's worth it. Then these are definite Northampton shorts and carnation, $69. And then everyone knows I drink well with others. Lots of cooperation. Okay, so that is $49. So there's my 4 definites. So do I keep this sweatshirt? I like it, but $69 for a sweatshirt? No. And then the other thing I have, I could potentially, this top I just had on, I could potentially get it in a small and see if that works. And I might have to message them and see if I do that, will that count for my 20% off? I've never done that before, but I think it would. Then I have these shorts. And they were like on the cusp of fitting. They were just a little bit too short, and I could do the same thing with them. I could cut the seams and give me another inch in length. Yeah, please, if you would give me your input, I would love it. Should I make my 5th item these shorts, this top, or, yeah, that's it. Oh, the sweatshirt. Sweatshirt, this top, or the shorts? Please let me know. Okay, so that's our Wantable wrap up. And I actually just got an armoire bag in, so I'm going to do a little unboxing of that. I'll be right. Well, this one's concluded, so thanks for watching.